me record the session. So after installation, I think yesterday, I think Prasad and Arindam yesterday, I think we discussed. I think due to some emergency, Ram will not go. He is not going to attend today. So maybe next class he will attend. So okay, it's fine, no problem. So after installation of Informatica, we will get the 4 tools: R, D, W, M. And yesterday we discussed what is R, what is D, and what is W, and what is M, right?
Yes.
Yes. So again, let me discuss same thing. So because Ram is not going to join today, okay. So maybe next class, initial classes, maybe anyone miss, so that is not good, because maybe in future he is not able to understand. So for that reason, today I will take only these. Yesterday already we discussed this R and D, right? W and M we need to discuss. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes. So R means Informatica Repository Manager. Informatica Repository Manager. Repository Manager. This is 4 tool where the all developer, this 4 tool R, D, W, M, this is the 4 tool where all developer admin, each and everyone, maximum developer, they are working on this tool. Server is again comes under admin, and server is the different part. So Informatica Repository Manager denotes as R, and this is a tool where we can starting the Informatica Repository Manager. Here we will create only the folder. Here we will do the only folder creation, folder creation and code deployment. Suppose your once the development done and you want to deploy your code or migration, or you can say code migration, okay, or you can say code migration. You want to migration your code from dev to QA to UAT. On that time, repository manager will help you. This is again come under the admin. So for that reason, real time these things, all those things will doing by the admin people. So for that reason, maximum company, they are not providing the repository manager access to developer or any tester. Only those access having the repository manager are access having only the admin people. But some of the companies they given, okay. Apart from this, nothing we can do in repository manager. Okay. So again, Informatica, another tool is there, Informatica Designer. Informatica Designer denotes as D, and where we create the program, create the ETL program using source, target, transformation, and maplet, and user-defined business logic. User-defined logic, or user-defined function. You can say user-defined function. Sorry, user-defined function. User-defined function. User-defined functions. Okay, these things. Am I right, Prasan? Those things we need to do. Yesterday only we discussed, right?
Yes, right.
Source means yes. Source means. Barun, you are new to this class. So source means when you are doing any course, or maybe before coming to course, you are heard about the ETL, right? So
yes, I heard about it. Extraction transformation loading.
That is the full form of extract transform load, right?
Yes.
That means from source, you can extract the data. In target, you
Correct.
can load the data. And in transformation, you can write the logic. That means you extract, load, and be in between that transformation will there, right? A transform is there. So in source, you can reading the data. That means extract the data. Using target, you can loading the data. That means write the data. And using T stands for what stands for transformation, right? That transformation you have to write in a transformation TR. I denote as TR only, but that is full form is transformation and a maplet. Transformation only. You can say transformation. And what is maplet? What is user defined function? And what is mapping? Mapping also. What is mapping? These three things I think you did not heard about this. What you ETL? What you yes? What you heard about ETL? That full form. Can you? Yes. Barun, can you mute yourself? Yes. So thank you. So when we are discuss about ETL, on that time you can easily understand. Okay, in transformation we can write the logic. In target we can load. In source you can extract. These three things comes the full form of ETL, right? But what is maplet? What is user defined function? And what is mapping? These three things you maybe maximum people don't know. So what is maplet? Maplet is the reusable business logic where we can embed with multiple transformation. Suppose one logic is there. Suppose full name. Okay. Suppose you have a customer table, you have an account table, but in same you have a full name logic. Some people having middle name, some people doesn't having middle name. So for that reason, each and every customer or account holder having the full name, right? But when the data came from source, on that time, maybe there is a chance in source data or source table or source file, they denotes as the first name, middle name, last name. Some people middle name is not there, some people last name is not there, but first name is the compulsory, is the mandatory things, right? So on that, based on that, you have to write some logic, right? And that, and why you are this logic, why you are converted with a maplet or any user defined function, a maplet, any maplet or any reusable logic. Why? Because maximum, suppose you have a 10 table, among 10 table or among 10 mapping, suppose 5 mapping, same logic you can use. So you can create once and reuse multiple time in a multiple program. That is called as maplet. Okay, initially no need to discuss about this, but just for your information I am telling you. But advanced session I will take what is maplet and how to build maplet, how to build user defined function. You can keep in mind maplet, transformation, maplet, and user defined function. These three things are the reusable business logic. Okay, but transformation you can understand, but maplet and user defined function in advanced session we'll discuss, no need to worry. And what is mapping? What is mapping? Mapping is the object. Mapping is the object name. Inside that we can embed source, target, and transformation is in a single. We can get all those things in a single plate, or you can say we can embed all those things in a one program. That program name called as mapping. That means mapping is nothing but your ETL program. ETL program where you can use source, target, transformation, maybe advanced session you can use maplet, user defined function, each and everything. That means mapping is the program name, program where we can define source, target, transformation. Using mapping, we can transform the data from source to target. Suppose we have a source, we have a data in source, we can move same record into the target using the mapping. That mapping denotes as a ETL program. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
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 Yeah. So
Yeah, absolutely.
yes, ETL program is the mapping. Okay. Yesterday I think already you discussed, but same thing again I discussed. So this is all about R, where we can create only folder. This is all about D, where we can create a program. Program means ETL program. That is called ETL program. Okay. So here we can use, see, this is the EMP source, EMP, this source, this is target, and all those is the small icon or small icon, or like when I will say the arrange all, you can see all tabular format, right? Pictorial format. All those pictorial format is a transformation. All those picture format is a transformation. And this is the source. Up here onwards, all those are transformation, and end where you can use the target. Okay. So it looks like this, but initially it's a little bit big, but initially we will create only the source, target, and all those things. Okay. So this is all about the designer. Third is the Informatica workflow manager. You can say W. Okay. What is W? Workflow manager. We create the program. Here in designer, we create the program. But once we create the program, so at least we can execute the job or run the job, right? If you are not to execute the program, you cannot process your data from source to target or source to destination. That means we are creating the program using ETL concept, extract, transform, and loading, but we are not able to transfer those records. That means we created the program. We created the program like this. Okay. But after create the program, at least we have to execute the job. Because if you are not execute the program, data is not going to load or write in a target. Data is on a source only, because you are only build the program. You are not execute the program. For execution of a program, we are using Informatica Workflow Manager. It denotes as W. So in Informatica Workflow Manager, we can create the workflow. In Informatica terminology called as workflow, but you can say job. Okay. Create the workflow. We can create the workflow, set the dependency between the jobs, or you can say workflows. Okay. And scheduling the job also. Suppose you want to email notification. Suppose your one job is failed. Why it's failed? So production support people cannot monitor. Maybe they will monitor rigorously, but sometimes they miss, right? For that reason, you have to send an email notification, your job is success or failure, those kind of things also, right? That means email notification. And workflow automation. You can say that means job scheduling means workflow automation, no need to write. So those kind of activity in real time, this is the mandatory things. I think for everyone, this is the real time. If you are working some project, that should be work with each and every environment, and that should be run in when the that program or that module in run in your production. On that time, at least you can get all those things. You can schedule the job, and job running automatically. It should be run automatically. It should get a email trigger if it's a failure. Then only then only you have to analyze those things, right? So that means basic, you have to create the workflow or jobs, set a dependency between the multiple jobs. Suppose you have a 5 job. First, which job is load? Then second, which job going to load? Third, which job going to load? Then those are the dependency you have to set in your job or in your ETL program. Am I correct? Is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
So those are the things we will do in Informatica Workflow Manager. Okay. So once the job will create and also you can execute. I forgot to mention. Also, you can execute the program, execute the ETL job or ETL workflow from Workflow Manager. Okay, those are the things we will create, we will do. Those are the responsibility is taken care by Informatica Workflow Manager. Okay, so fourth tool is Informatica Workflow Monitor. It denotes as M. You can see this is M, this is W, right? Monitor by naming it, by naming convention itself, it's a workflow monitor. That means after run the job, once your job is running, then you have to monitor. That means it's a production support job, but initially developer also doing at least the testing kind of thing in a monitor, right? But in real time, this is a production support job. But initially, when you create the program, initially you have to monitor the job support minimum or test your program using monitor how it's loading, and maybe the data is failure, maybe data is rejected or loaded, or maybe job is failed or success. Each and everything you can see, you can check your monitor. Okay, all those things you can physically, you can see all those things and in monitor. The monitor responsibility is after execution, monitor the job, you can say in Informatica terminology workflow or job. After my execution, monitor the job in workflow monitor, and also debug the, you can say debug the ETL code if it's fail or success. Maximum when if it's failed. Okay, maximum when your ETL, suppose that job is going to fail. Okay, so how you are monitor those things? Suppose you are monitoring those things, but your job got failed. How you are debug those things? So debug the ETL code if it's failed using log files. Log files means suppose your job got run, after run your job, it will create some files, log file. In each and every software having the one log file. Let me check, right click on that and get session log. And here you can get all those why your job is failed and why because of which reason the job got failed and each and everything. You can do all those things, debug kind of thing, each and everything in your debug. Also you can do designer, but there is a development part. But production support and tester, your program is going to fail or success, or maybe some scenario your job is loaded right data or wrong data, or maybe it dependency set in proper manner or not, each and everything you can check using the monitor. That means it's a kind of production support job. But initially, developer has to take care that a production support job. Okay. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
This is the all about fork tool. This is all about the fork tool. So I want to take bit of more session, but today Ram is not there, and initially at least it's a, I think, third or fourth number class, right? So for that reason, till now I did not start the practical. For that reason, I'm not taking more class. I'm not taking more time, because maybe if the 10 class will be continued, then only if one guy miss the class, it's well and good. Maybe recording session was there, but initial classes, if I start the practical, maybe there is some issue and all those things. For that reason, I am not taking the more class. If this discussion, if you have any doubts or anything else, if you guys are want to take the more time, just let me know. I will take the more time. But it's my opinion. Why I'm not taking more time? This another guy is there because of some emergency work. He missed the class. So for that reason, I'm not taking more time. If you want to take the more time, so let me know. I will take. Arindam, is it clear for you up to this?
Yeah.
Why the designer and all those things? See, if you have any doubts, just frankly ask me, because initially classes, why I'm taking very slow, because initially 10 classes I will take slow, because at least you guys are reliable in Informatica. At least you guys are able to practice in Informatica. Once you are hands-on Informatica, then only I can start bit quickly. For that reason, I'm not taking more classes. And today maybe I'll take another half an hour class, maybe, or 45 minutes, because of RAM is not available. I'm not taking. Is it is it okay for all? No?
Yeah.
Yes, Vidyut, no problem at all.
Okay.
You will be available today.
Okay. No worries. I'll take the next class will be, I'll ping on group. Next class will be your Thursday night 9 to 10, right?
Next will be on Thursday.
Yes, Thursday 9 to 10, evening 9 to 10. Not because all are working professional, all are working with his own task in his company or in their company. So for that reason, I'm also working professional. For that reason, maybe daytime you don't have time. So I'll take 9 to 10 every Thursday. If you have any work related things, emergency work, just give me a message. I'll cancel this class. Again, I'll take Saturday and Sunday. Once you are reliable with Informatica, then only I can take the more class.
Okay, one more thing. When will you, I need to update this so that I can go through it once again. Update my.
Okay, you have. I already shared through Google Drive all videos. You can check in batch 4 PM one folder is there. So you can check that folder in Google Drive. Each and every video will be there.
Okay.
Okay. So if you have any doubt, just let me know. Else we will disconnect. If